Hi there, I'm Adam, and today I'll be sharing some insights on contact management within the Elastic Email application. This topic refers to our marketing product and is not accessible through the API. We'll walk you through the process of counting contacts, creating lists, and segmenting users based on custom fields. To begin, let's head over to the Audience section. Within the Contacts section, you'll find important dashboards related to your contacts. Here, you can access information about all your contacts and subscribers, growth trends presented in charts over different time intervals, growth metrics for the past 30 days, as well as audience performance metrics like open rate and click rate. Additionally, you'll find information about your account storage allocation, indicating how many contacts are currently stored within your billing plan.
Contact count is significant as it influences pricing. Our app is free to test out, allowing you to send emails to yourself. However, you'll need to upgrade to the Starter or Pro plan to utilize the Elastic Email Delivery Engine fully. Pricing varies based on the number of contacts.
It's essential to distinguish between all contacts and subscribed contacts for this reason. Only those subscribed and transactional are considered valid contacts on your account. Subscribed contacts are those with an active and engaged status. You can send your email marketing campaigns to them. Suppressed contacts who are unable to receive emails are not counted. For more information on contact statuses, watch this video. Additionally, it's crucial to keep in mind that if you unintentionally upload contacts exceeding your limit and send emails to them, you'll either need to wait for your next subscription period to upload more or raise your limit. This process can be automated using the Auto Increase Limit feature accessible on your billing screen. Now let's explore the concept of contact lists. How do lists differ from segments? Lists are static sets of contacts, while segments dynamically adapt based on segment rules. For example, if you upload a CSV file and assign it to a new list, that particular group of contacts remains unchanged. It stays static and won't be removed from the list unless you take action. On the other hand, contacts from this upload can automatically join a segment if they meet specific segment criteria. For example, you can add contacts to any existing list or create a new one, and these contacts will automatically be included in your All Contacts segment. Sending your campaigns is flexible. You can target segments, lists, or even blend them together within a single campaign. You can add contacts either individually or by uploading a file directly to a list. To learn more about adding contacts to your account, watch this video. Additionally, you can edit individual contacts or assign them to a specific list in bulk. By clicking here, you can also view statistics for a particular user and review all the lists and segments associated with them. When it comes to counting contacts, the number of lists or segments connected to a particular individual has no impact on the count. Even if a contact with a specific email address appears in 5 different lists and 7 segments, our application considers it a single contact. Unique email addresses are the focus rather than the volume of lists. For an overview of all created lists, navigate to this section. Here you'll find every list along with additional details on tracking history and subscription management. You can track changes in the number of your contacts across up to 10 lists or segments. This is what it looks like on the History dashboard for already created lists. You can enable this option while creating a new list or when editing an existing one. Subscription management allows users to unsubscribe only from this specific list rather than from all your emails. It's an additional option for your subscribers to choose which campaigns are interesting for them. To use this feature, you must also enable it in the unsubscribe settings. Here, you can copy, edit, or delete any of these lists. You can also add or upload contacts. By clicking Create List, you can start creating a new one. Let's name it Tutorial List and enable managing subscription and tracking history. Simply click Save List and you're done. The list has been successfully created. Now you can add contacts and send your first campaign to the list. If any campaigns were previously sent to your list, you can view them by clicking View Campaigns. Additionally, you can export contacts from the created list. Just select the desired contacts and choose the file format. Once it's ready, you can download the file or copy the link to share it with your colleagues. Just be mindful of GDPR limitations. Moreover, you can generate a form that will automatically enlist users into a particular list. You can find more details about forms here. There's also an extra feature that might be quite useful, especially for new users. The Nth Selection tool divides a single list into several lists, each containing an equal number of randomly distributed contacts. This function simplifies the process of managing large lists by breaking them into smaller, more manageable chunks. Simply locate the specific list and select Nth Selection List, then choose the list name and the desired number of lists. You can create up to 10 different Nth Selection Lists from a single list. As a result, we've now created 3 lists with randomly selected users. This feature is especially valuable for new users who need to warm up their IPs and domains before sending bulk emails. Now is the time to utilize segments. All accounts have predefined segments such as all contacts, engaged contacts, active contacts, blocked contacts, and stale contacts. In the dashboard, you'll find the criteria for each segment and details about their tracking history. Here you can edit, copy, or delete any of your segments except for all contacts. This cannot be modified. Next to the Create Segment button, you'll notice Custom Fields. These fields are additional features available in the Pro plan. This feature allows you to add unlimited custom fields for each recipient, create tags, and personalize emails based on them. Find out more about custom fields here. Custom fields might also apply to your segments, potentially enhancing the power and effectiveness of your campaigns. Let's create a new segment. Initially, we need to assign it a name. Tutorial segment works well for our goals. Now our focus shifts to defining the rules. There are general, statistical, and custom rules available if you have created custom fields. In the general section, you'll find fundamental contact information such as first name, last name, and status. In the statistics section, you'll find essential metrics related to email activity, such as total emails sent, total opens, or days since last open. These metrics can be particularly useful if, for example, you wish to create a segment of inactive users. Next, let's delve into email rules. You have the option to specify whether your segment's email addresses should be an exact match, start or end with a specific phrase, or simply contain it. Let's use ends with @elasticemail.com to create a segment based on contacts from our domain. You can see how this rule looks here and evaluate how many users will be added to the segment with specific statuses. Let's add a subrule to create a segment consisting of only active or engaged users. Now we just need to select the correct statuses for every condition. Make sure that you choose the logical operator and or correctly in your rules and subrules. For example, a contact can't be both active and engaged simultaneously, so we had to select or as an operator in our subrule. Now let's evaluate if our rule works correctly. Indeed, it looks like it's working well. Decide on tracking history and save the segment. Contacts will be automatically populated here based on the assigned rules. The segment is now ready to receive the campaign. Moreover, any new contacts on your account that meet the criteria will be automatically added to your segment, so there's no need to worry about that. What segments are worth exploring? Find out more about the most useful segments here. There are a lot of possibilities when creating segments. Only your imagination and custom fields can limit you now. That's all for today. You know how to manage your contacts effectively and utilize segments and lists in your campaign. If you have any more questions related to contact management, please reach out to our customer support team. They will be happy to help you. Cheers!